Anyways, what are we talking about next, Alan?
Talking about cabinets.
Cabinets?
Yes.
Yeah, I think you made a cabinet, right?
I did. I made a cabinet. I think it's a very cool application, and we're going to do it in 2 sections. I'm going to talk about it.
Before we start, it's actually a lot more exciting than it sounds.
Yeah, I think so. Let's check out the first half. So we're going to turn this old, ugly cabinet door into something new. So back to us. This is how it turned out. Voila. Enchanté. So I could have tackled this one of 3 ways. And in actuality, I tackled it in all 3 ways. I could
Accidentally.
have, yeah, accidentally. I could have designed it like you saw in the video and designed the actual design to fit perfectly within this square. And here, you want to get the thumbnail real quick for the video? All right, that'll be the thumbnail. I could have designed just for the square, like in the video, and engraved it, used the perimeter to get it perfectly, and that's what I did in the video.
You could actually even use reference markers if you wanted.
You could use reference markers, and it turned out really awesome. I will say it turned out awesome.
It's all right.
It turned out amazing. It looked pretty good. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to make it even better and add paint to it.
He's a wild man.
So I did that and ruined it. I ruined it completely. So, yeah, it was perfect. It was fine. Then I ruined it. So what I did was took it apart and did the other side. And I was like, it's not as good as the first time. I ruined it completely. So I got a brand new piece of wood, disassembled the cabinet completely.
Yeah, if you flip it around, you can see that it's not
Yeah.
not the same wood. Yeah.
Not the same wood. So I grabbed some 1/4-inch birch, cut this actual, I keep grabbing this from down here, but cut this actual shape out, measured it, and all that, and just replaced it completely. So it was a huge process for something I messed up in the beginning, just because I was, chasing the dragon of perfection.
You kind of nailed it the first time, and then you just...
Yeah, well, I was cleaning up all the excess paint because all I did was spray it, the whole thing, and then clean this top surface off. And then all the little pieces, all the beautiful details were breaking off.
I see.
So I ruined it.
Lame.
Super lame.
Rookie mistake.
Anyways, it turned out pretty awesome. I did some additional sort of work to kind of try to tie this in. I did some border pieces for the cabinet, and I also did a cool top bracket for the light, because it's actually, as you know, I'm into fish tanks right now. I'm sorry, Jeanette. So this is a cabinet for a fish tank. And you'll see I laser cut a bracket for the light, and little thingy to hide it or whatever. You'll see it right now. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. fishy, fishy.
Very
Uh,
cool.
I like the way it turned out. I don't care about your opinion.
Oh,
I'm an
fine.
individual.
I told you that I liked it multiple times.
Mary Snow says that door is gorgeous.
It's all right.
Wonderful.